The Jeannie and Cotton Show. Whoa.
Hey, Jeannie and Cotton fans.
Welcome to the Jeannie and Cotton Show. So today we're so excited because we're going to be doing, I'm going to be making a claw and she's going to be making a vending machine. In our last video, she made a claw and I made a vending machine. So now we're switching it up. We're really excited, and here are the materials you will need. Washi tape. We have two different designs right now. We have these unicorn and ice cream.
Alright, we have duct tape, unicorn, candy corn, blue, purple, and yellow.
We have a box cutter.
We have an X-Acto knife. Let me get the X-Acto knife lid.
We have scissors, and we have these curly type, and well, very needed.
We have tape,
like just regular Scotch tape. Crafting sticks.
cake pop sticks,
a marker or a pen. And you'll need extra cardboard, a hot glue gun, which we have down there, and boxes, which we already started the design
in our next video.
Well, we drew it.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Now, let's get started.
Here's the box I'm using.
So, as you can tell, mine is going to be a claw, so that's why I picked this box. So, let's get started on making our claw and vending. Hey everybody, so right now I'm making my claw and I'm using a fork and a spoon.
And guys, guess what? I hot glued these together for my mechanism, and there's like hot glue sticking out, so I'm gonna cut off the hot glue. The moment of truth.
What are you gonna do for your mechanism?
Well, I'm going to put a squishy on this and then tape in the number and pull it out.
Its core mechanism is going to be pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so we are, it's a little messy right now, but, like in the camera view, but it's not very. So yeah, we'll see you in time.
I'm going to be using Alfred, and she's going to be using
Milo and Alfred, and the name mixed together is 1, 2, 3. Arlo. Arlo.
So if they decide to get married, like, I don't know which one's a girl though. Probably Milo.
No, they're both boys.
But if one was a girl and they got married, the child would be named that.
Arlo.
Arlo.
But the next squishy like animal I get, I'll name Arlo. So yes, now let's show them our vending machine.
So now I'm going to show you my awesome vending machine. I really, really like it. It has a J up here, and then it has little yellow patches. It's really pretty, and it looks like a spin wheel, kind of, just for some reason. And I use a butter cookie box. And then, yeah, so here's the front, and it has a little unicorn opener. And there's nothing inside. Nothing. And then, it won't close. Okay, there we go. And then there are the dogs, which I had little dog stickers, which are really, really cute. And here are the instructions. Insert coin. Grab fork and spoon. 3. Use them to grab a squishy. 4. Once you grab it, put it in the to-go, meaning the little to-go. 5. Grab squishy out of the little container thing. And then squish squishy, which you don't have to do, but it's very recommended. And then that's the side. And I had a little like tape little thing. I really like it. And then this is a butter cookie box and yellow. And then these are all the coins. All of them have different color popsicles. And they're really cute. And yeah, this is like a unicorn side. It's really cute. So now let me show you how to play. So here it is, and I noticed that I covered it up with tape, so I had to get it, but yeah, so you can scan it. Just all you have to do is hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And then what you do is you grab something. I'll grab this. Oh, and guys, there's nothing in here. Nothing. And then and then you grab it and you squish it. So yes, that's my amazing, amazing, amazing little thing. And I really love playing with it. It's really fun. And yeah, so. And we will be back when Makena is ready to show hers.
So I made mine, and it's really, really, really cool. So, what you do is, you have these squishies on these sticks, and then you, type in one of the numbers, like B1 or A1 or B2, and they're actual pressable numbers. See? And then, like, if you press A1, then you would pull on this, wiggle it around a little, and get the squishy out, so that you got a squishy. And I'm gonna show you me playing it too. But I'm probably gonna replace. Okay, so I'll do B1, and then you pull out. Ooh. Okay. Okay, you got this. Cute. And it's really, really fun. Oh, and she has a little doggy and a kitty sticker. Sometimes you need to use new pieces of tape because the pieces of tape get old. Yeah.
and get all dirty and stuff.
But it's really fun to play and really love them. Like everything we made. And here's mine one more time. Here's what we made today.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and comment down below who you like better. Thanks for watching. Bye!